The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, fellas. Very good morning. Hope everyone had a great afternoon. I am back at my regular desk. Full charts. Good morning. We do have a couple of trials. One is an old member, Greg. Welcome back into the room, assuming you're in the room at this point. Peter, good morning and welcome. I forgot to welcome you yesterday. My apologies. Excuse me. Pretty good day yesterday with the trend candles. It's already a very good day with the trend candles. In the overnight session, gold up 600 has hit its daily goal. Copper up 400 has hit its daily goal. And crude up 450 has also hit its daily goal in the overnight. No trades on the gold 15-minute. So what do we have? 450, 1,050, 1,450 in the overnight. Those will not trade at all today. NASDAQ on the 1 minute this morning, 2 trades, 2 winners. That's at daily goal. NASDAQ will not trade on the 1 minute today. I will trade, of course, the Ninzarenko and the ES. One other thing, I ran, and I'll take a screenshot at the end of the day. I ran 2 evaluations on Buellnox on the 1 minute. I posted it in Teams. I led with a Sim 101 lead account, which is up 450. And account number 1 is up 500. Account number 2, these are 2 evaluations, is up 495. Now, account number 2, which is currently at 52,314, that has been running on Buellnox solely on the 1 minute. There is no manual or discretionary trading on that account whatsoever. So I'm running it solely on the 1 minute and trying to run that. I'm within what, $800, let's call it, maybe 2 days. Hopefully by Friday that will pass solely on the trend candles, and then I'll run the funded account solely on the trend candles. No intervention. In any event, guys, good morning. Welcome. We have no real news. There is Canadian news at 8:30. We do have a Fed speaker. And then, good morning, Jim. And then, Pascal, good morning. Guys, good morning if I missed most of you. But we also have Powell testifying at 10 a.m., so who knows what we get today. Currently, volume is high, very high, 111,000 contracts. Normal volume when we come in at 8 a.m. is 68,000. So we have high volume this morning. We also have a very high positive delta. Inventory is long still at 2,900 on the delta. Looks like we're going to get, in my opinion, at this point, another trend day long. We shall see, fellas. But it looks longs to me. I don't see shorts at this point. In any event, let's get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk.
Yes, in a few days.
All right, I'm shutting this off. That's up. This the first trade was a losing trade. It's had 3 winners to get down 610. Here's your long on crude. Gold was a good short if you caught that at 18.7. Crude.
Watch 20 quarter though on NQ. I guess it hit it. Never mind.
Come on, big guy. Let's go. Push right here. There it is. Down 10. All right. Now I'm going to shut it off for now. All right. So the first trade was a losing trade. 5 consecutive winners. We're back to $10. Come on, get above 21, 20 half. Let's go. If this gets target, guys, it'll be done for the day for me. It won't be a daily goal, but it'll be 6 consecutive winners. Just missed target. We need to go. Come on. I did, Steve. Were you not in at 8 o'clock? 8 a.m.? Yeah, that was done before 8 a.m., the 1 minute on Apex and 2 evaluations on Buell Knox with a trade copier. I'll go over the totals at 11, assuming I'm awake. This is lulling me into a freaking sound asleep here. Come on, you chicken liver coward, go. Got to get this swing high out of here now. 25.75. Been sitting in this trade for at least 15 minutes. I've had, ticks in it, but Powell said even his wife doesn't like him. Here we go. Come on, get target. Let's go. Get target. I'm done for the day here. God dang it, it hit target. Got it. Done for the day, fellas. Done for the day. Everything is green everywhere. No blood. Now I just want this order flow trade. Get it on, baby. Get it on. Come on, you just breached that stinking resistance again for the 412,000th time today. I'm not flinching. I'm holding for targets. I'll take the loss before I close the trade. And my final target is 372. Those are my targets. And when I hit them, we're done. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. You don't have to hold for targets because I am. We just need to get that swing high out of here at 33. And you will see buyers come in up the wazoo. I'm going to short out my keyboard falling asleep here. Come on, get that little swing. We'll get first target quick. Anybody holding this thing with me and Greg? Anybody in NASDAQ? Okay. I'm very confident we get target, guys. He said what he had to say. We have a ton of buyers. Break that little swing there. Stopped right at that. Damn it. Could get a pullback here. I don't like that. I don't like that. We hit it and didn't break that swing. We need to break that swing at 28. Delta's increasing positively. I mean, we could pull all the way back to 300 and stay long. I don't want to see that, but I'm going to get targets, Kit. Come on, break this one tick. There we go. Oh my God, this thing is like two ticks in a whack. What the holy? Come on, big fella. Man up. This thing did not eat Wheaties today. Target
There,
one hit and filled. Good
there.
God. My God. Next target, 46 and a quarter. Got an unfinished auction here at 50 half. That was my target way back when. We're going to get that 50 half. We're not I'm telling you, we'll get 50 half. $3,200 on the positive delta. Don't be taking those shorts.
Too much support now below it.
Yeah. Guys, I think we're free and clear now. At 46 half is the top of resistance. We get above that, it's sayonara. I don't know if you guys know him, but it's pretty good. Come on, a little more push. Come on, give me second target so I can go get coffee. In fact, I'm just going to get coffee. I'll be right back.
That's not going to happen.
I'm back. I'm
All
here,
right.
guys. I'm here.
Move up a stop into this. Not going to sit through another deep pullback. I'm going to go to an 04 stop. I don't know, Bob, what are you seeing? But that's where my stop's going to go.
Let's see here. 04. 15 quarter for me. 15 quarter. It's not coming back. Come on, pop this little 40 half and go. Go get that target too. I mean, there is literally zero momentum in this thing. Zero. Somebody hit it with a defibrillator. Support here. I want to see this get back up through 37.50. 37.50. Come on, buyers. We're pushing the opening range high. Here's your 30-minute high. 33.50. That's got to go. All right, guys. I'm flat. I'm flat. I don't like the break of the 68. This could turn into a pullback. I don't know that it does, but it's tough to want a short 3,000 contract. Let's wrap it up for the day. This is done. We made some money. All right, let's talk about totals. In the overnight session, copper was up $400. Hit my daily goal. No trades on gold on the 15-minute in the overnight session. Gold on the Ninzarenko up $600. Daily goal. CL on the 3-minute up $450. Daily goal. In the cash session, ES up $400. I let it take one trade and then shut it off in this chop. In the summer months, that may very well be my daily goal. NASDAQ on the 1-minute up $600. Daily goal. NASDAQ on the Ninzarenko up 290. Not my daily goal, but again, with Powell speaking, we're just chopping around. So 2740. And I want to show you guys something. This is the 1 minute on Buell Knox. Oh man, these are so much better than the algos. Absolutely. $50,000, Bob. Up $500. They're both 1 minute charts. I did them with a trade copier. So I ran a simulated lead, Sim 101 lead, and then I've had 2 followers. And I'm not showing the trade copier because I don't want my account number out there. But 495 and 500. Okay. The other question I get is, people will say, does it make money? I mean, Grant has been trading this. He's now trading this on a $30,000 cash account. I am running Joel's copier. Yeah. No trades on the 15-minute for him. 650 on the Ninja Ranko, 437.50, yada yada yada. $4,000. That's a live cash account. I think last week he made 14 grand. And then Walt, up $4,400 as well. 3 evals and 4 sim accounts.